On the beam, which was fairly uncomfortable for a few days. But probably worse for the yachts that were coming up in the yacht race. So we kept a good eye on them, but luckily they were safe and most of them were in Fiji. And we're doing this on behalf of the Fijian government. So we actually have one New Zealand fisheries officer on board and two Fijian fisheries officers. So high seas pockets around. So one off to the west that we'll be concentrating on for the next patrol. And the reason for that is that the fishing vessels will fish in the high seas pocket and will try to come into the EEZ when they're not actually registered to do that. So they're not paying any money towards the Fijian government and essentially taking the fish when they should be paying for it.
So those pockets, they're open terrain that anyone can fish in?
They're open to anyone, so they don't have to pay. They still report their catches, so what we're trying to do as well is build the picture as to what they're actually catching in those areas.
And how normal is it for the Otago to come up here? Have you been before?
So you'll notice that this chart I'm actually using is a 2014 one,
okay.
which is a good demonstration that we do this quite often. So the two OPVs, Wellington being the sister ship of this, that was up here for tropical cyclone Winston relief.
Yeah.
They will actually be doing the deployment through the islands in July. So this year we're sending two OPVs.
Okay.
But it's
how old's the Otago?
6 years old.
Okay, so quite new. This is one of the OPVs we bought.
Yeah, and certainly the new OPV that's been announced, thanks for the Prime Minister.
Yeah, How old are you? How about you, Blue? How long?
About 2.5 years.
Okay. Okay. What was it like coming out? Bloody awful.
Coming up on that, it wasn't that bad. It's been a couple of times.
How many of you would get sick? Most people get sick?
Oh, yeah, a lot of people did actually, yeah. It was like, it was the first day we went to see it.
But you know, a lot of those, they probably, yachts, they get sick. Actually, across 6 months, I said, I guess.
Weapon technician.
Who was one of the Otago?
Just been in Otago.
Okay.